Many new users coming to GoHighLevel struggle to pick the right subscription for them, and picking the wrong subscription can lose you hundreds of dollars in the process if you don't utilize the tools correctly. That's why in today's video, I'm breaking down each high-level subscription, highlighting their features, and guiding you on which plan is best suited for you. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, small business owner, or agency owner, this video right here is the guide that you need to make the right decision on which plan it is that you are going to be choosing. If you're completely new to HighLevel and not familiar with what it is, basically it's an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform to help simplify your business operations. With GoHighLevel, you can automate marketing campaigns, you can manage customer relationships, you can build and optimize sales funnels, and you can schedule appointments, all from one powerful tool. It's designed to help businesses save time, be more efficient, and drive growth by streamlining their essential marketing and sales processes. Now, GoHighLevel offers three main subscription packages: Starter, Unlimited, and SAAS Pro. While new users might find it pretty easy to differentiate the Starter plan with the other two plans, the real challenge often lies in choosing between the Unlimited and SAAS Pro packages. But there are key features in the SAAS Pro plan that sets it apart from the Unlimited plan. Let's start with the Starter plan. It starts at $97 per month. This plan offers a range of essential features, but with limitations. Within GoHighLevel, you can create sub-accounts to manage multiple business accounts simultaneously. However, with the Starter plan, you're limited to just 3 sub-accounts. This plan is ideal for individuals who already own and manage their own business, as it retains core functionalities such as CRM, automation, pipeline creation, website and funnel building, and the calendar feature. Now, where the Starter plan falls short in is actually using that plan to build the business around the software itself. For business owners who want to leverage GoHighLevel for their own operations, right now is the best time ever, since they're running a bootcamp that offers a free 30-day free trial and live training to get you set up effectively. To sign up for the bootcamp and the 30-day free trial, there's going to be a link down in the description down below. So if you are a business owner or you're managing a business, you can easily get live training and learn HighLevel within 30 days. Now moving on to the second plan, the Unlimited plan. This plan is really for newcomers coming to HighLevel looking to start a SaaS agency, because it has one fundamental core feature called white labeling. And what white labeling basically is that you can brand that software as your own. So the best thing about white labeling is that none of your clients will ever know that you're using GoHighLevel as the backend for your business. And the best part about this plan is that you can have unlimited sub-accounts, meaning for one price of $297 a month, you can have unlimited sub-accounts, meaning you can have unlimited clients, means for endless scalability. Now with this plan, you also get access to their API, meaning you're able to connect different softwares to HighLevel itself. So essentially what you could do is have that whole business run off of one click. Now choosing this plan not only keeps your costs low, but it also helps you create a sustainable and long-lasting business. And this plan provides the tools and flexibility that you need to grow your agency efficiently. Now the third and final plan that GoHighLevel has to offer is the SAAS Pro plan. Now this plan starts at $497 a month, so it is a bit on the pricier side, but there's one feature that makes that price worth it, which is the SaaS rebilling. Essentially what SaaS rebilling is that you're able to rebill your clients to make a profit off of the phone numbers, text messages, and phone calls that they would be making. Now with the SAAS Pro plan, you don't miss out on anything that the Unlimited plan has, but instead you actually get more. Now one standout feature that SAAS Pro has is called the AI conversational bot, which is easy to set up and train, allowing you to automate all phone calls and messages. Now choosing the SAAS Pro plan allows you to maximize your earnings, while at the same time you provide automation and communication tools to your clients that are indispensable. Whatever plan you do plan on choosing, there is going to be a 30-day free trial link down in the description down below. Now to summarize the main points of this video, the Starter plan costs $97, is perfect for business owners who are looking to automate their business and organize their operations. The Unlimited plan starts at $97 per month and is perfect for someone looking to start their SaaS agency and offer their own white label software to businesses. And the SAAS Pro plan starts at $497 a month and is for agency owners who have multiple clients already and are upgrading to HighLevel to introduce rebilling to maximize their revenue and automate their business even further. I hope this video was informative and helped you choose which high-level plan is the best for you. If you did learn anything new from this video, I would appreciate if you could leave a like and also comment down below which plan you're going to be choosing. And to see me break down the top 4 best methods to make money with Highlevel, check out my other video that I made.